this video, we are going to make Paneer Masala recipe. The ingredients which are required for this recipe are given in the description box below. So please go and check the description box. Here we are taking 250 grams of paneer and just cutted them into slices. And now I am adding 1 tablespoon of salt and then 1.5 tablespoon of chilli powder and then a pinch of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala. Now mix these ingredients well, and you have to make sure that you should not break the paneer pieces while mixing. Instead of spoon, you can just flip the bowl so that the masala will get into these paneer pieces. And after mixing this paneer with masala, you have to just keep this bowl aside for 15 to 20 minutes. At this time, you can just prepare the gravy for these paneer pieces. Now add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, and I'm also adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee to this oil. Instead, you can just skip any of the steps and you can use 5 to 6 spoons of oil or ghee and let it heat for 1 minute. Now add some fenugreek seeds to this oil. Take 3 to 4 cardamoms and I have crushed them and then adding it to the oil. And then 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks. And also add 8 to 10 cloves. Now let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Take 2 onions and make them into a paste like this, and then add it to the oil. Instead of onion paste, you can also finely chop the onions and you can add it to it. Just cook this onion paste for about 5 minutes on a medium flame. Here you can see the color of onion paste is changed to light brown. So at this point of time, you can add some chopped garlic and then some chopped ginger. After cooking it for 3 to 4 minutes, you can see the color of the onion paste is changed to brown. So at this point of time, you can add 1 tablespoon of chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of salt and then a pinch of turmeric powder and then 1 full tablespoon of coriander powder, a pinch of cumin powder, and then a half tablespoon of garam masala. Now take some amount of kasuri methi into your hand and just wipe it with both your hands so that the flavor of kasuri methi goes into your dish. After adding this kasuri methi, just mix this mixture well. You can see the mixture is dried out, so you can add some water. After 1 minute, you can add the tomato paste. I have took 2 tomatoes for the tomato paste. After adding this tomato paste, let this cook for 5 more minutes. Let it cook on a low flame. After 3 minutes, you can just place a lid on it and let it cook for 7 more minutes on a low flame. So now take another pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, or you can use oil instead of ghee. After 1 minute, add the paneer pieces which we have marinated before. Let these paneer pieces cook for some time, and don't overcook these paneer pieces and don't make them brown. Just cook it on a low flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. And while flipping, just make sure that you don't break these paneer pieces. Just flip them gently. And you can see our paneer pieces are cooked now. So after 5 minutes, just take the lid of that gravy. Here you can see the oil is separated. So now we can add those paneer pieces into this mixture. Add all the paneer pieces. Mix this very gently because there may be a chance of breaking the paneer. So now add some amount of water to cook this gravy along with the paneer pieces. Now cook this for 4 more minutes. After 4 minutes, just add the lid to the pan. And after 3 minutes, you can see the oil is separating from the gravy. So now our paneer is ready. You can just add some coriander leaves to this gravy. Our paneer masala is ready now. You can see the paneer is very soft and it's cooked completely. And yeah, our paneer masala is ready now. Just take this into a bowl and serve it. Add some coriander leaves on the top to decorate this. Here is our paneer masala. Please do try this at your home and enjoy this dish. I hope you liked this video, and if you like this video, please give a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you so much for watching. With love, Sushmita.